Lab start intro icon install. Sudo dnf install Ansible icon navigator. Ansible icon navigator icon version. Two dot one dot zero Ansible navigator version. Podman login utility.lab.example.com. Podman login utility.lab.example.com. Username admin. Password is RedHat. Login succeeded. Ansible icon navigator images. Ansible icon navigator images. Press escape to exit 0 to check the details. Ansible version and collections, Python packages, operating system packages, everything. Image information, OS, general information. So platform ID and PT icon name. Data enterprise like 8.3.6. Python packages. Lab finish intro icon install. Lab start playbook icon inventory. cd playbook hyphen inventory. Create an inventory file of student playbook hyphen inventory. Create an inventory file. Web servers server square bracket a colon d close square bracket dot example.com. RHEL server a.lab.example.com. Server b.lab.example example.com. Mountain view server c.lab.example.com. London server d.lab.example.com. Development server d.lab.example.com. Development server a.lab.example.com. Testing server b.lab.example.com. Production server c lab.example.com. Server d.lab.example.com. US colon children RHEL Mountain View cat home student playbook hyphen inventory space inventory. So this is the inventory file. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen m std hyphen list. Ansible hyphen navigator hyphen I run hyphen m std out. Name of the playbook. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory file. Inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen m std out hyphen m std out hyphen list. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen m std out hyphen list. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out hyphen list. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out hyphen graph of ungroup. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out graph of ungrouped. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out hyphen graph of ungrouped. Similarly for development, Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out graph of development. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out hyphen graph of testing. Ansible hyphen navigator hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out graph of testing graph hyphen graphs testing hyphen graph testing. This is the testing group. Now production group Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out graph of production graph production. So this is the production group. US group Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory hyphen M std out hyphen graph US. So in US host group there are two children Mountain View and RHEL. Mountain View host group contains server C.lab.example.com. RHEL contains server A and server B. Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory Ansible hyphen navigator inventory hyphen I inventory. Browse groups. So these are the groups: development, London, production, testing, and group US web servers. Fifth group, say I want to see the fifth group. It has two children, Mountain View and RHEL. I want to see what is in RHEL, which hosts server A.lab.example.com, server B.lab.example.com. Suppose I give 0 to server A. So inventory underscore hostname is server A1. Inventory underscore hostname. So this is then escape to exit. Lab finish playbook hyphen inventory. CD lab finish playbook hyphen inventory. Lab start playbook hyphen manage. Lab start playbook hyphen manage. cd tilde slash play hyphen manage. So all the YML files are present here. Play hyphen manage. Create the home student playbook hyphen manage ansible hyphen navigator.yml file. Ansible hyphen Ansible hyphen navigator Ansible hyphen navigator.yml file. So triple hyphen Ansible hyphen navigator Ansible hyphen navigator execution hyphen environment execution hyphen environment image colon utility.lab.example.com execution environment colon image colon utility.lab.example.com slash doubly supported RHEL 8 doubly supported RHEL 8 colon latest full colon policy colon missing playbook hyphen artifact. So full colon policy colon missing playbook hyphen artifact colon enable colon false playbook hyphen artifact colon enable colon false cat ansible hyphen navigator dot yml file ansible hyphen navigator images to press escape to exit the image list. In the home student playbook hyphen manage directory, start editing a new file named ansible.cfg. So home student playbook hyphen manage directory ansible.cfg file. New file named ansible.cfg. Defaults inventory dot slash inventory cat ansible.cfg square bracket defaults inventory is equal to dot slash inventory. This is the ansible.cfg file. So create the home student playbook manage inventory file and add this content. Inventory file myself workstation.lab.example.com intranet web server a.lab.example.com internet web server b.lab.example.com web colon children intranet web internet internet web inventory file. So run this playbook ansible-navigate run-mstd ping-myself.yml ansible-navigator run-mstd ping-myself.yml file playbook. So could not match the supplied host pattern. So see host name should be properly mentioned here. So here it is only workstation, but in the inventory it is workstation.lab.example.com ping-myself.yml workstation.lab.example.com save and exit the file. Ansible-navigator run-std out ping-myself.yml. So OK 1 change 0 unreachable 0 fail 0 skip 0 rescue 0 ignore 0 workstation.lab.example.com. So I'm pinging myself workstation.lab.example.com. Ansible-navigator std out ping-intranetweb.yml. Ansible-navigator run-std out ping-intranetweb.yml ping-intranetweb.yml. So pinging server A, sorry, it is ping intranet web server A, ping internet web, Ansible hyphen navigator and hyphen m std out, ping hyphen internetweb.yml. So server b.lab.example.com, server b.lab.example.com, Ansible hyphen navigator and hyphen m std out, ping hyphen web.yml. Ansible hyphen navigator and hyphen m std out, ping hyphen web.yml file, ping hyphen web.yml file, next ping hyphen all, Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen yum std out, ping hyphen all dot yml file, server A, server B. This is server A, server B workstation. All the hosts. OK is equal to 1. Open the ansible.cfg file in playbook hyphen manage directory. Specify these things. So this is the complete ansible.cfg file. It should look like this. Vim ansible.cfg file. Square brackets default inventory is equal to dot slash inventory. Remote underscore user is equal to student. Remote underscore user is equal to student. Privilege underscore escalation. Privilege underscore escalation become is equal to true. Privilege underscore escalation become is equal to true. Become underscore method. Become underscore method is equal to sudo. Become is equal to true. Become underscore method is equal to sudo. Become underscore user is equal to root. Become underscore user is equal to root. Become underscore user is equal to root. Become underscore ask underscore pass is equal to true. Become underscore ask underscore pass is equal to true. Become underscore ask underscore pass is equal to true. Cat ansible.cfg file. Square brackets default inventory is equal to dot slash inventory. Remote underscore user is equal to student. Square bracket privilege underscore escalation become is equal to true. Become underscore method is equal to sudo. Become underscore user is equal to root. Become underscore ask underscore pass is equal to true. Next, run this playbook ping hyphen intranetweb.yml. Ansible hyphen navigator. Run hyphen yum std out. Ping hyphen intranetweb.yml. Ping hyphen intranetweb.yml. So become password. Become password. So to run the playbook now, I've given the become is equal to true. Become underscore method is sudo. Become underscore user is root. become underscore ask underscore pass is equal to true. So this parameter, so because of this it is asking me the password. I will give the password student. So now I'm able to run the playbook. Lab finish playbook hyphen manage. Come out of the directory lab finish playbook hyphen manage. Lab start playbook hyphen basic. cd tilde slash playbook hyphen basic ls. So in the playbook hyphen basic directory, create a site.yml file. Him site.yml file. Triple hyphen space name colon install and start Apache HTTPD. Host colon web. Host colon web. Task colon. Host colon web. Task colon. Hyphen space name colon. Ensure HTTPD package is present. Hyphen space name colon. Ensure HTTPD package is present. Task colon hyphen space name colon ensure HTTPD package is present. Ansible dot built-in dot dnf colon. So this is the module. Ansible dot built-in dot dnf colon. Name colon HTTPD Ansible dot built-in dot dnf colon. Name colon HTTPD state colon present. Name colon HTTPD state colon present. Ansible dot built-in dot dnf colon. Name colon HTTPD state colon present. Hyphen space name colon correct index.html is present. Hyphen space name colon correct index.html file is present. Correct index.html file is present. The module is ansible dot built-in dot copy colon ansible dot built-in dot copy colon src colon file slash index.html. src colon file slash index.html. Source colon file slash index.html file slash index.html. So this is the source. and the destination file dest destination colon where www.html index.html where www.html index.html destination. So where www.html index.html. So name of the task, ensure HTTPD started. Ensure HTTPD started. Ensure HTTPD started. Ensure HTTPD started. Ansible.builtin.service colon. Ensure HTTPD started. Ansible.builtin.service colon. Name colon HTTPD. Name colon HTTPD. State colon started. Name colon HTTPD. State colon started. Enabled colon true. Name colon HTTPD. State colon started. Enabled colon true. Cat site.yml playbook. Save and exit the file. Run the playbook. Ansible if a navigator. So first do the syntax check of the for the playbook. Ansible if a navigator run -m std out site.yml syntax check. Ansible if a navigator run -m std out site.yml. Ansible if a navigator run -m std out site.yml. So server changed everything. Ensure HTTPD. So gathering facts. Ensure HTTPD package is present. Correct index for this file is present. Ensure HTTPD started. So server C, server D, OK 40, OK 4. Server change 3, change 3. Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen mstd outside.yml. So run it again. Ansible hyphen navigator. Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen mstd outside.yml. Curl server c.lab.example.com. Server c.lab.example.com. Curl d.lab.curl server d.lab.example.com lab finish playbook hyphen basic. So this is a test page lab finish playbook hyphen basic. Lab start playbook hyphen multi. Lab start playbook hyphen multi. CD tilde slash playbook hyphen multi. CD tilde slash playbook hyphen multi. Create intranet.yml file. Create intranet.yml file. Name colon enable intranet services. Host colon server.lab.example.com. Become colon true. Task colon hyphen space name colon latest version of HTTPD and firewall installed. Latest version of HTTPD and firewall installed. Ansible dot Ansible dot built-in dot DNF colon Ansible dot built-in dot DNF colon name colon HTTPD hyphen space HTTPD hyphen space firewall D name colon hyphen space HTTPD hyphen space firewall D state colon latest internet.yml file state colon latest. So where www.html index.html file where www.html index.html file index.html file hyphen space name colon test HTML page is installed. Test HTML page is installed. Ansible.builtin.copy colon. Test HTML page is installed. Ansible.builtin.copy colon. Content colon. Welcome to the example.com intranet. Content colon double quote. Welcome to the example.com. Welcome to the example.com intranet. DST colon where www.html index.html ls where so make directory where www.html so sudo make directory pv where www.html sudo vim where www.html slash index.html hyphen space name colon test HTML page is installed. So adding only tasks hyphen space name colon test HTML page is installed. Ansible.builtin.copy colon content colon double quote welcome to the example.com intranet. Content colon double quote welcome to the example.com intranet. Welcome to the example.com intranet. DST colon where www.html index.html where www.html index.html cat where www.html index.html define two more tasks in the play to ensure the firewall service is running. Vim ls intranet.yml file so this is in the So this is not in the where www.html index.html file. It should be in the playbook intranet.yml. So ls rm-rf where www.html cd slash where ls-ld www. It was created today. rm-rf www sudo rm-rf www cd find slash hyphen name. So playbook icon multi-directory in the home directory. Add a task to the first place list. First place list. cd vim intranet.yml file. Hyphen space name colon. Test HTML page is installed. Test HTML page is installed. Ansible.builtin.copy colon. Ansible.builtin.copy colon. Content colon. Double quote. Welcome to the example.com intranet. Welcome to the example.com intranet. dest colon where www.html index.html where www.html index.html. Add the following lines to ensure that the firewall D service is enabled and running. Define two more tasks. Hyphen space name colon firewall D enabled and running. Firewall D enabled and running. Ansible.builtin.service colon Ansible.builtin.service colon name colon firewall D name colon firewall D enabled colon true enabled colon true state colon started state colon started enabled colon true state colon started. Add the following lines to ensure that firewall D allows HTTP connections from remote systems. Indent the first line 4 spaces. Firewall permits access to HTTP hyphen space name colon firewall permits access to HTTPD access to HTTPD service. Firewall permits access to HTTPD service. Ansible dot POSIX dot firewall D colon ansible.posix.firewall d service colon http permanent:true permanent:true state:enabled state:enabled immediate:true ansible.posix.firewall d service:http permanent:true state:enabled immediate:true. Add a final task. Web server enabled and running. Hyphen space name colon. Web server enabled and running. Ansible.builtin.service colon. Ansible.builtin.service colon. Name colon httpd. Name colon httpd. Enabled:true. State colon. Web server enabled and running Ansible.builtin.service colon. Name colon httpd enabled:true state colon start date. In the home student playbook-multi intranet.yml file. So same file, pim intranet.yml file. Add the following line to define the start of a second play. So define the start of a second play. Add the following line. So hyphen name. It starts here with this is the play. This is the play in the playbook. Starts with hyphen name. The second play. Hyphen space name colon. Test intranet web server. Test intranet web server. Host colon workstation.lab.example.com. Host colon no indentation workstation.lab.example.com host colon workstation.lab.example.com become colon false. Become colon false. Become colon false. Task colon task colon name colon connect to intranet web server. Connect to intranet web server. Ansible.builtin.uri colon Ansible.builtin.uri colon URL colon http colon double forward slash server a dot lab server a dot lab dot example dot com URL colon http colon double forward slash server a dot lab dot example dot com return underscore content colon return underscore content colon true return underscore content colon true status underscore code colon return underscore content colon true status underscore code colon 200 so ansible dot builtin dot uri colon url colon http colon double forward slash server e dot lab dot example dot com return underscore content colon 2 status underscore code colon 200 save and exit the file cat intranet dot yml file. So run the playbook syntax check. Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen yum std out intranet dot yml intranet dot yml hyphen hyphen syntax hyphen check Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen yum std out intranet dot yml hyphen hyphen syntax hyphen check. Intranet.yml file syntax check. Now run the intranet.yml playbook. Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen yum std out intranet.yml file. Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen yum std out intranet.yml file. OK6 changed 5 in server A workstation OK2 change 0. You can see OK6 change 5 server A workstation OK2 change 0. Now curl http colon double forward slash server a dot lab dot example dot com curl http colon double forward slash server a dot lab dot example dot com. Welcome to the web example dot com intranet lab finish playbook hyphen multi lab finish playbook hyphen multi. So lab start playbook hyphen review Live start playbook review. So add the following entry to the beginning of the home student playbook review slash internet.yml file. So internet.yml file cd home student playbook review slash home slash student slash playbook review ls vim internet.yml. So this is the play. Name colon enable internet services. Enable internet services. Host colon server b.lab.example.com. Server b.lab.example.com host colon become colon true. Become colon true. Task colon hyphen space name colon latest version of all required packages installed. Latest version of all required packages installed. Ansible ansible.builtin.dnf colon hyphen space name colon hyphen space firewall d hyphen space httpd MariaDB hyphen server MariaDB hyphen server firewall d httpd MariaDB hyphen server php php hyphen mysqlnd php hyphen mysqlnd state colon latest state colon latest state colon latest, add all these tasks again, two more tasks, hyphen space name colon, firewall enabled and running, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, name colon firewall D, name colon firewall D, enabled colon true, name colon firewall D enabled colon true, state colon started, name colon firewall D enabled colon true, state colon started, hyphen space name colon firewall D permits HTTP service. Next task, firewall D permits HTTP service, firewall D permits HTTP service, Ansible dot POSIX dot firewall D colon, Ansible dot POSIX dot firewall D colon, firewall D permits HTTP service, service colon HTTP, service colon HTTP, permanent colon true, service colon HTTP permanent colon true, state colon enabled, state colon enabled, service colon HTTP permanent colon true, state colon enabled, immediate colon true, immediate colon true, immediate colon true. Add two more tasks, hyphen space name colon, HTTPD enabled and running, HTTPD enabled and running, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, name colon HTTPD, name colon HTTPD enabled, name colon HTTPD enabled colon true, enabled colon true, state colon started, state colon started enabled colon true, state colon started, hyphen space name colon, MariaDB's enabled and running, MariaDB enabled and running, MariaDB enabled and running, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, MariaDB enabled and running, Ansible dot built-in dot service colon, name colon MariaDB, name colon MariaDB, enabled colon true, enabled colon true, enabled colon true, state colon state colon started, state colon started, So add another task, add another task, hyphen space name colon, test PHP page is installed, PHP page is installed, Ansible dot built-in dot copy colon, Ansible dot built-in dot copy colon, src colon index dot php, index dot php, src colon index dot php source, dest colon src colon index dot php dest colon where www html index dot php where www html index dot php index dot php mode colon 0644 mode colon 0644. So define another play. So this is another play with no indentation. Hyphen space name colon test internet web server. So it should be below the first play. Test hyphen space name colon test internet web server. Test internet web server. Host colon workstation. Host colon workstation. Become colon false. Task colon become colon false. Task colon hyphen space name colon connect to internet web server. Name colon connect to internet web server. Connect to internet web server ansible dot built-in dot URI colon ansible dot built-in dot URI colon URL colon http colon double forward slash URL colon ansible dot built-in dot URI colon URL colon http colon double forward slash server b dot lab dot example dot com server b dot lab dot example dot com status underscore code colon status underscore code colon 200 vim internet.yml file cat internet.yml file. So this is the content of the internet.yml file. So do the syntax check. Ansible if a navigator run hyphen m std out internet.yml file hyphen syntax hyphen check. Ansible hyphen navigator run hyphen m std out internet.yml file. Task latest version of all required packages installed. Server B OK 7 changed files. Workstation OK 2. Server B OK 7 changed file. Workstation OK 2. Evaluation lab grade playbook review. Lab grade playbook review. So lab grade playbook review. Lab finish playbook review. Lab finish playbook review.